I'm going to pull up a standard roofing website on my phone and time how long it takes to start a phone call. 9, 10. There's the call button. And I was scrolling, still scrolling. I hit a contact page menu. Finally, in about 11 seconds, I find a clickable phone number. 11 seconds. And I was actively searching for it, which means I was more patient than your actual customers. Picture this: a homeowner is standing in his living room, staring at a fresh water stain on the ceiling. He pulls out his phone, searches roofer near me, and opens 3 tabs. He's not reading your about page or admiring your logo. He wants a number to tap to call. Whichever site makes that the easiest gets the call. The rest get closed. Before we go further, this site I'm showing you is a demo site. I built it for this video and to be a demo. Copperline Roofing is not a real company and it's not a client, but every layout decision is real, and the decisions are the whole point. Here's the fundamental flaw on almost every roofing site in Texas. You have two completely different visitors. Homeowner A has water dripping onto his floor right now. He doesn't want a quote form. He wants a human being on the phone in 2 minutes. Homeowner B has a 26-year-old roof. He's thinking about replacing it next spring. If you push him into a high pressure phone call immediately, he backs out. Yet almost every roofing site hands both of these people the exact same button: get a free quote. One button loses one of those two people every single time. And you will never see it in your analytics because a lost visitor leaves no trace. This is how we fix that layout. Right under the header, we place two distinct action paths side by side. On the left, we have this high contrast active lead or storm damage. The copy reads water coming in, hit by recent hail. It gets immediate attention before secondary damage occurs. The button says call now for emergency. It triggers an immediate phone call. On the right, it says replacement estimate. The copy reads roof showing its age, schedule an inspection, and get a clear price. The button triggers an easy, low friction intake form. The visitor's urgency dictates the action. The phone number sits permanently in the mobile header until their thumb and then under their thumb and at the bottom of every single section. You never make someone scroll back up to the top after you've convinced them. And then you've got the insurance claim as well. Most sites skip this, yet homeowners care about it more than shingle brands. Notice step 1, we inspect first. The copy says, before you call your insurance, let us look. If there is no damage, we will tell you, saving a claim on your record. That single sentence might cost you an unnecessary claim today, but it builds instant trust. A homeowner who has never filed a claim is terrified of getting taken advantage of. Demonstrating honesty on the page does what generic marketing adjectives never will. Now, let us be completely clear. A great website only does one thing. It makes the call easy to start. If your site does its job, but your team takes 3 hours to return a lead, the site cannot save you. Speed to lead is what actually closes the job. If you want me to take a look at your current website and show you what I would change to improve conversions, send me an email. My email address is down in the description. Takes about 20 minutes. There is no charge, and I'm not going to hound you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel for more breakdown videos. Thanks for watching.